Happy birthday! I found these videos of a fun time we had together. I hope you enjoy. This happened 2 years ago when I was still in Guam.
Well, here we are, Pam and I, at the northern part of Guam, having a great reef walking adventure. Woohoo! There's an octopus, Pam!
I see this!
My word! Okay, it's one of those little tiny baby octopuses.
So little. I've never seen one that little.
Yeah. Here, hold this, Pam, and I'll see if I can grab it. Of course, he might swim off. He thinks he's buried in the sand and hiding.
But we saw him.
Oh no! Where'd he go, Pam?
Is he not on your hands?
He left.
Oh, he left.
He left.
Part of himself.
Oh no, he left a leg.
He gave you a memory.
Well, that's sad.
That is sad. Aww.
But this leg will not go to waste. I'm gonna eat this. But hold on, it's still moving. Where's that little guy? I feel so bad. I feel bad.
I know. That's because you have a heart. You don't just kill octopus for fun. You care.
That's right. They're for food, and I wasn't
right.
planning to. Oh, there he is.
Right there. Right there. I see him.
Okay. Come here, little guy.
She's not going to kill you. She's not going to eat you. We just want to see you. So come easily.
All right. Okay. Oh.
Oh, there he went. Oh, nope. Jerry just went under, I think. Did we get him?
I got him in my hand.
Yeah.
But oh, shoot. Come here, little guy.
Come on, no friend. We're not a foe. We're a friend.
He is in there, and there's some holes. Oh, what's that? Oh, well, we'll let him go. There goes the ink floating off.
I know. Isn't that cool? Wow, what an adventure.
You know, we just stand here and wait, and you never know what you're going to see.
Never know.
We should just stand right here for a minute.
That's right. See what
And we were going to take a picture, Pam and I.
We were, and adventure interrupted. What can you say? When adventure comes, you just got to go with it.
So now, I think they found an octopus over there.
By the flailing of the arms.
But I've got this little octopus finger on my finger, so I'm gonna eat this right now.
Just like a noodle. A rubber noodle.
They serve these in restaurants, you know.
Delicacies.
We can find it right here.
Pay a lot for them. Right here at our doorstep. Well, down a little road. And
There's a piece of sand in there, so it's gonna...
That's cause it's like farm to table.
Farm to table. There's still a little dirt, but in this case, sand. All right, here we go.
Woohoo!
Here we are at my last sunset at this beach with my friends. There's Pam.
Hello.
There's Rhonda and Crystal. Woohoo! And it's about to have the sunset. Will we have the green flash? I'll let you know. And it's so beautiful tonight. We had some beautiful pictures taken. Here's our seating arrangements. Hi, Pam.
Hello.
And it's almost time to leave.
Patty Memorial Beach Day.
I hope the Big 5-0 is awesome, Pam. Have fun. There's a link to the original video that I took this from at the end, and also another video I took that day in Guam 2 years ago. I miss you. I wish I was there to help you celebrate.